Hello, dears. Good evening, and welcome to the warm and sunny Benidorm town in Costa Blanca in Spain. Welcome to Benidorm by Anna YouTube channel, where we show you a lot of interesting and useful stuff from our loveliest region. Today we are on the triangular square. There is a brand new exposition here, as usually we have some. Sometimes these are sculptures, sometimes these are unique photographs, unique art pieces, and this time it's another expo that will be bringing joy to locals and tourists. From here we will be heading towards the old town to enjoy the gorgeous views with the sunset in Benidorm. Meanwhile, we are passing through the street that is very well known as a shopping street of Benidorm town. Here you can find branded shops and typical basic ones, Zara, Pandora, different types of jewelry shops as well, clothing, accessories, and much more. Obviously surrounded by numerous bars and cafeterias that allow people to sit down for a moment and enjoy the time here in Benidorm city center. There still are quite a lot of discounts happening, second or third sales already, because almost all the shops do have autumn winter collection put on, which is really strange to see because we have 28 degrees outside. Seeing coats and jackets and scarves in the shops is something very unusual with this type of weather, as you can see right here on the screen. Something more proper of late autumn winter time, but anyway, meanwhile, we're still wearing flip-flops, shorts, short dresses, and really summer style clothing. The city center has quite a lot of people today. Everyone are enjoying their holidays. Locals are doing some lovely walks before they head down back home or for a nice dinner. Everything is still open, and right now it's around 7:30 p.m. So just in about half an hour, the sun will be setting down. Here we have our favorite bubble tea shop, which is working pretty well. I think at least it was in summer. This is one of the places that we've tried in brand new businesses video that we shared with you here on the channel. I will leave it linked for you down below in the first comment below this video. Just click the link and you will go directly to the video for all the newest, latest businesses that have opened up in the city center. And we will try the bubble tea as well on the video to see if it's good or not and if it's worth coming here. The Pandora shop, as we've mentioned, this is where it's located at. A lot of people love this type of jewelry, and there's a physical shop for it. This huge queue that you can see in front of us is the lottery. Spanish love lottery. Spanish buy it at least for Christmas and Three Kings Day. This is the queue for the Christmas lottery. Probably there's people start to buy it as soon as it comes out in springtime. Since then, people are buying it, and at least once a month they do buy tickets. So at the end, they end up with quite a few of them, because you never know, might be the Christmas joy that will help a lot of families with their difficult economic situation. Right behind us, there is a straight road towards the Levante beach, but we will be heading forward through the city center right up until the old town. All these shops are quite busy, I must say. A lot of tourists are wandering around. Discounts 50 to 70%. See, when they show you it's 70% of discount, 50%, I would kind of agree still that that's possible. But 70%, this is where the doubts are coming into place. Look at this sunset right there. Oh my goodness, look at the sky. Wow, yeah, we have pink and blue skies out here. A nice place to grab some food. By the way, this is a doner kebab place. They have pitas, they have durum doners, they have potatoes with sausages, all fresh ingredients. All fresh ingredients right here. You've seen the prices a tiny bit. Nearby we have crepes, quite expensive. Waffles out here, waffles with toppings for 75. Pizza slices, this right here is pizza slice for 250. One of the best pizzas, very nice ones. They make them freshly right here, and great quality ones. Chocolates and with churros, or churros with chocolate, is also being sold at this same place in this very building. Their terrace is always busy, as you can see, and this is why the prices are really competitive. People love the quality of the food here, they love the service, which is why it's always busy. This is how you know, pretty much, if it's a good place to go. Nearby we have some more gins and tonics places, restaurants for pizza, places that are specialized mostly in different types of beer, crafts beer, bottled one, places that specialize in different types of alcohol as it is, or in cocktails, for example. Cheap places like this one, the one. Here they have very low prices for 1, 2 or 3 euros. Basic typical Spanish meals. They even have coffee, drinks, something to snack on for quite a low price. We can actually see that there is a big shift out here. You don't see so many children any longer, obviously, unless they're locals or they're coming here for any kind of specific occasion. If it's not the case, we mostly see people that are over 18 years old out here, or families with really small children that are not in the school age just yet. And all of them are enjoying Benidorm. It's around 27 degrees right now here in Benidorm town, and it's incredible. It's the best time ever to enjoy some drinks and snacks. As you can see right here, very busy. Some newly refurbished apartments as well available. There's a lot of these type of buildings everywhere around Benidorm town. Hopefully, maybe sometime in the future, we will do something like this for ourselves and meet and greet some of our lovely subscribers that will choose our accommodation option to stay here in Benidorm. That would be our main goal, our dream come true, but obviously it requires a lot of investment. So please subscribe to our videos at least, so that YouTube would see that that's interesting for you. And like this, they will send our videos for more and more people each time. And the more people watch our videos, the faster we will be able to get to our target, which is have a apartment building here in Benidorm to be able to offer you a comfortable, nice accommodation with tea and coffee facilities, obviously inside of the apartments, with everything necessary for the tourists to enjoy Benidorm town, and for our subscribers as well, with special discounts. This is where some more hotels are located. For example, we have the Hotel Alameda that's situated right here on the right. This was one of the first hotels we filmed, and we have an official full tour, including the upper floor terrace. Back when we filmed it, they did not have the lounge area on the top. They did not organize a rooftop terrace with music, with cocktails, etc. But now they actually are, since it's a new fashion in Benidorm, and more people choose to have a lovely drink and enjoy a sunset, for example. From the higher, the better in Benidorm town. This is a brand new coffee, another one, Cafe Gusto and cocktail place. I think it's Cuban place if I'm not wrong. And they have very nice coffee, by the way. So if it's actually true, people will get to know it, and coffee lovers this might be the place for you to go. A straight road brings us slowly but surely towards the old town of Benidorm. These were some of the oldest and first to appear streets in Benidorm town. Back when only the port was here, back when there were small houses by the front line of the beach, when the tourism was only local and no international tourists knew nothing about Benidorm town. Right now, we have changed a lot, haven't we? Many shops around offering some specific gifts, souvenirs for tourists, clothing made in Spain with natural materials, something special for you to bring from your holidays. There is a hotel, Centro Mar, 3 stars hotel out here. Small, cozy, nothing from the other world. However, if you don't mind a 3 stars hotel, staying right in the heart of Benidorm, and simply not having like big luxury, no heated pool, luxurious furniture, just something cozy and comfortable for you to stay for a nice price, then this might be the option. The oldest souvenir shop in Benidorm, Photos Castel, which is Pictures Castle. This is where you can find all different types of ceramic, art, crafts, handmade things. All the most popular souvenirs are usually bought right here by the Church of Benidorm. By the way, you can get inside and check it out if you want to. The entrance is usually open unless there is some kind of religious celebration inside, then it will be closed. But if it's not the case, usually in the evenings, anyone can access this lovely, lovely church. And right near it, there is a small tunnel. From this tunnel is from where we get a direct access to the castle. On both sides, we have old pictures of Benidorm so that people would be able to know its history slightly better and see which kind of incredible, absolutely astonishing change Benidorm has made throughout these last several decades. How different it was looking like back then and how it is looking like right now. The change is absolutely incredible. And a lot of people are interested with the history of Benidorm. Obviously, they're checking down all the pictures, and we can hear a typical music coming from this loveliest square. A lot of people are here enjoying. There is a small market that is still left to be here. Mostly these are street artists that do gorgeous paintings, portraits, something hand painted on the ceramics, and street artists creating a nice music. And everyone are here to enjoy the gorgeous sunset and the views to Benidorm town and its skyline. This is the perfect moment to stop for a second and enjoy. Let's do so. These are the street artists responsible for all this atmosphere of art, for the atmosphere of typical Spanish place, authentic Spanish. By the way, not sure if you've noticed, however, right on the left side, the old town has the colors of Spanish flag. You can rewind it backwards just a tiny bit and you will see that there are, see right there, there's red, yellow, and red once again, which are the colors of the Spanish flag. Many people on the terrace of the only, probably, restaurant slash cafeteria El Castel, the castle, enjoying not only their favorite drinks, not only the gorgeous views, but also the authentic Spanish songs and music from the street artists. This is something usual and typical to see not only in summer, however, in autumn and winter months as well. Maybe in winter there's not going to be so many artists out here, but still the atmosphere will remain the same and some of them will stay here to provide their services. This is what Benidorm is famous for. Its gorgeous, stunning views to the sea and to the skyline of what Benidorm has become throughout all these years. Right here where the old castle was situated, obviously nothing else is really left from it, but still a lot of people come here to check this area to learn slightly more about the history of Benidorm and obviously take some memorable pictures with the most popular touristic attraction of Benidorm. And those who are not afraid of heights, you can always go down the small stairs that bring you to this gorgeous place to feel like you would be in the center of the Mediterranean Sea, with the views to Benidorm Island right in front of us. There are so many places to explore in Benidorm and surrounding area. If you don't know what to look for, what to visit, contact us on Benidorm by Anna Tours. Check our official website. You can send us a WhatsApp or an email and we can organize a perfect tour for you guys here in Benidorm town. And if not, just check out all our videos here on the channel. We've shown you plenty of interesting and unique places by now that you could potentially visit during your holidays in Benidorm, Costa Blanca and Spain, as many of the people who are coming here are doing, especially right now when the peak summer season is officially over. Autumn is starting and the weather allows us to spend way more time outside and explore. Even if you just stop for a minute at one of the viewpoints and look towards these gorgeous views. Thank you for accompanying us on today's informative walking tour down Benidorm Old Town in September. We'll see you in a new video tomorrow. Bye!